application here that generates AI videos and AI images using this app. So make sure to follow it. And here, very simple layout for the application, and all you have to do is enter your prompt that you want to use to pretty much generate your image, and you can also add your photos that you want as well. So do keep in mind you may need subscription for some of these features. And if I tap on over here, as you can see, I currently have 120 carats. You do need carats to generate images as well. So if I tap on here where it says Nano Banana 2, one month unlimited, but here you pretty much get a subscription page. Here you have a monthly subscription and you pretty much get 1,000 free carats, which you can need if you need to generate videos and images. And also you have different subscription here as well, which gives you different amounts of carats. If you don't want a subscription, you just want carats, then you can go over here and purchase carats separately. As you can see here, it's quite more expensive as it relates to you purchasing a carrot. So that's pretty much it for that there. And here is the prompt section where you enter what you want. Also, if you tap on where it says Nano Banana 2, here you can also select whichever model you want to use, Nano Banana 1 or Nano Banana 2, which is new version, or mid journey. Over the video generating section, you can leave it on auto, or you can use any one of these two. So very simple AI generator application. At the top here may have some prompt which you can use as well. So I'm just going to select one of these and generate an image really quick. As you can see here, it's now being generated, and it will take some time. As you can see, the time that's given me 1 minute and 3 seconds, but it will calm down. As you can see here, the image is now generated, and you can always go and tap on the image and it can save it to your gallery. Not just tap on the image and save it to your gallery, you can go ahead and save it or improve the graphics of the image. You can add text, you can remove something out of the image, you can cut out something out of the image by just entering that, by just using this feature at the corners. You can see here, cut out. Also, you can tap on the image, for example, and let's say you want something to be added. All you have to do is just message the AI, select the image, and enter what you need, what you want to be removed or added. And that's pretty much it for the application. Very straightforward and easy to use. And as you can see here, my carrot is going down, and use the section, as you can see here, how much carats you need to generate an image and how much you need to edit that image if you want to add or change something in that image. So that's very simple setup there, as I can see here, and this is pretty much the results. So very good application. I would recommend to anyone, and if I've missed anything in this tutorial, please comment below. See you in the next one.